Hey guys, TechDude731 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Cooler Master Hyper T4 CPU cooler. On the box, you can see all your dimensions and what socket it's compatible with, as long as a description of it in several different languages. Popping open this box, you have foam and another box inside the box with all your accessories. Inside here, your accessories include a back plate for the motherboard, as well as all the mounting hardware you need to mount this CPU cooler. Also inside the box, you have your user manual and installation guide. And inside here, under this nice foam, you have the cooler itself, with a large 120mm fan. As you can see here, you have your copper pipes that make direct contact with the CPU, the fan, and along the top, all your copper pipes, the heatsink, and that's about it. Thank you guys for checking out my unboxing and overview of the Cooler Master Hyper T4 CPU cooler.